How do I start my coffee business? Welcome to Marketing Food Online, YouTube's premier and largest food entrepreneur channel. Subscribe, share this with someone you know, and drop a comment below. Before you sell coffee online, watch this. Most new sellers burn money instead of beans. They think it's as simple as putting coffee in a bag and posting it online. It's not. Coffee is one of the toughest markets to break into, and if you don't do it right, you'll waste months with zero sales. Here's the problem. Coffee is crowded. Big brands dominate. Margins are tight. And customers expect quality and branding that feels premium. If you just post a plain bag of beans, you'll disappear under thousands of listings. And shipping? Coffee is heavy. If you don't plan, shipping costs eat your profits fast. So, what do you do instead? First, find your niche. Don't just sell coffee beans. Sell flavored coffee, organic single origin, cold brew kits, or even gift boxes. Second, build a brand that pops. Great packaging, clear labels, and a story people connect with. That's what gets attention. Third, protect your margins. Add up beans, bags, labels, shipping, and make sure you're still hitting 60% profit. Finally, pick your platform wisely. Amazon gives you reach. Etsy and Shopify let you stand out. TikTok Shop is blowing up right now. Here's a pro tip. Coffee is daily. That means subscriptions. Add a subscribe and save option, and suddenly you've got customers paying you every single month. So before you sell coffee online, remember this. Niche down, build your brand, price smart, and think subscriptions. Do those things and you'll rise above the competition instead of sinking into it. Subscribe now, share this video with someone you know, and leave a comment with the coffee idea you're working on.